Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Kavi Academy. Today I want to lecture you for class 12 for second year most important chapter in first unit. First chapter name is Accounts for Non-Profit Organization or Accounts for Not Profit Organization. See here, non means what? No more profit means non means empty profit organizations we are doing of the accounts is known as accounts for non-profit organization. Previously you learned that whichever reason will be organization we are making a financial statement and find outing of to the whether profit or loss. In this case of the chapter we are not doing of any profit or loss, and we are not discussion is going on to the whether reason will be how much is a profit getting or how much is a loss getting for in organization. Here non-profit in then your every in your mind have getting on question. Non means if no more profit, then how we are doing of the accounts. Then even accounts will is not only when following of to the profit organization, along with the whichever is company is not making of the profit also we are compulsory will implementing of to the accounts of financial statement. In this case will be we are not even find outing of to the profit or loss, we are find outing of the surplus and deficit. What is the meaning of surplus? Surplus means when your income should be more compared to expenditure should be less. In this case we are calling as a surplus. How we are calling as a profit? No, here we not should never you should use for what profit, we should use for surplus. In the same way when your expense should be more compared to for your income, in this case will be we are saying as deficit. So in this chapter we should never ever we should call as a profit or loss we are find outing here. Only we are find outing to the how much is and will be surplus and how much is a deficit as a non-profit organizations will be. So we'll move to for the chapter. In this video clearly I'll explaining for you introduction of non-profit organization. First chapter, accounts for non-profit organization, introduction. For first point, non-profit organization is a form of cooperative society business organization. What is the meaning of form of business organization? See, in a business study, your previous first year you have learned that forms of business organization. How many forms of business organization is there? The 5 forms of business organization. Sole of proprietorship, joint and your family business, cooperative society, partnership form, and joint venture. 5 forms in entire worldwide. They're following 5 forms of business organization. The non-profit organization, it's a following of cooperative society. Why? Because the sole proprietorship, the joint and family business, partnership firm, joint venture, all as expecting of returns of profit, but it's no more expectation of profit for cooperative society. So in this chapter of non-profit organization is the following of cooperative society for forms of business organization. Let's you come to for second point, maximization. In the organization the entire worldwide they're following of 2 maximization. Compulsory any organization involving of 2 maximization. Number 1 as a profit maximization, number 2 as wealth maximization. Number 1, profit maximization. Profit maximization means what? Any owner or any person has investing of money in the business, they expecting of profit or expecting of return. That kind of all the business of organization is called profit maximization. Come to wealth maximization. Wealth maximization is not seeking of the profit, it's a purely concentration to the satisfying of the society of the people. When the satisfying, it's definitely that all organization of businesses is wealth maximization. So non-profit organization, it's a following wealth maximization. Next point, activities. See, whichever business at least should involving either one activity. So here two activities is called economic activity, non-economic activity. What is the economic activity? Economic activity means the exchanging of goods and services between the buyer and seller, the expectation of to the returns or the expectation of earn the money is called economic activity. Now come to non-economic activity. Non-economic activity is not expecting any profit, it's only satisfying service to the society, is called non-economic activity. Next point, non-profit organizations following of sources. Here nil of profit, then who will invest? No more owner, no more shareholders, then who will invest? The investing of people who they voluntarily they'll come and they'll do service, that all kinds of people they investing to for the NPO, means it's members, maybe subscriptions, maybe for voluntaries or donors. This all members too we are collecting of the funds, that funds through we are maintaining of our organization. Next point, non-profit organizations following of rules. How many rules we have? Three rules we have. Personal account, real account, nominal account. NPO is purely following for the nominal account. What is the meaning of nominal account? Nominal account means is considered as a, all the expenses and losses, income and gain is known as nominal account. Now the nominal rule. What is the rule of nominal? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. So you should understand that debit means all the expenses and losses, credit means all income and gain. So that's the reason it's NPO is following of nominal account. Non-profit organization, which activity is undertaking? The many activities undertaking for without profit. So first activity is charitable religions like masjid, like temple, church, through we are providing of funds. Next come to healthcare centers. Healthcare centers means like hospitals. Next come to educational activities. Educational activities means like schools, colleges and institutions we are providing of the funds. Next, sports clubs. Sports club means level tennis sports club and cricket sports club. The many sports clubs they are conducting. Next come to social activity. Social activity means who they are seeking of the needy people we are giving off to service them. And next come to for the cultural activities. Cultural activities means many like historicals of the activities we are conducting of without any expectations, only for the satisfying of to the people. Non-profit organization is not controlled by for the owners, is only the managing of to the members. Here no one as a owner, it's only members to their creating of organization and giving they providing of service. Again next point, it's a non-profit organization's main aim, it's service. It's not for the profit, it's not for any reputation, it's not for any one person satisfying. It's only main aim to for the service to entire needy people. Non-profit organization, it's a balancing of the all the incomes and all the expenses should be balancing. So these all points hope you're understanding for the introductions of non-profit organization.